Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects, especially if you like what you see in this episode. So because of how things are in the world, and last year we had a partially layoff, so we were working, way less than we usually do. After the summer, things returned to, at least normal when it comes to the hours that I need to work. And then during the winter or fall, I made you an episode where I spoke about things to do during the downtime season-wise. So during the time when I can't drive my Supra because I don't want to drive it in snow, salt, sand. Since I've had to work quite a lot, I haven't really had the time to do all the things that I want. It's a bit sad, but that's the way things are. So we only have one way to go, and that's forward. I will be focusing on the most important things to do, so finish up the paint work. I still have a few pieces to polish and seal, and then mount. I will do the fuel system stuff because one of the fuel hoses are getting quite dry and starting to crack, so I will be using the Teflon hoses and AN fittings, and also the anodized aluminum things instead of steel and rubber and non-anodized aluminum. Those are the two major things. The level below that would be the brakes. I don't think I can really pull the plug on that now, it's too late. So I will install the brakes as well, especially now when they are renovated. I have one more painting session to do, some wet sanding, and then paint it and then install it. But the goal is, of course, to drive the car. And for the past 7 years, I haven't really driven my Supra that much. Mostly because of the paint job, as well as school, working abroad, etc. Before I started on the paint job, I did actually I've had several project threads for my cars, and of course that's based on all the documentation that I'm doing. So basically images, but also a few videos. So back in August in 2012, he helped me to take some videos of the car, and of course it was done on a closed off street, sort of. Why would I else drive like that? But it's just a few small clips to sort of remind both me and you about what the project is about, to improve performance, safety, etc. and to have a car that's fun to drive, and all this while learning. So it's a sort of keeping the cake while eating it scenario, which is not that common in this world. So, we did have a microphone when it was recorded. It's outside. It's just a few pulls, but I hope you enjoy it. Bränsle klippningsinställningar, så det är lite för lågt ställda. Är du beredd nu då? Ja. Those videos, as I said, they were taken in 2012, and they've been on a hard drive which have been gone for 2 years maybe. So it was fun for me to find them, because I had it in the back of my head that I had those videos somewhere, and now I get to share them with you, which is extra fun. Hopefully I get to do more videos like this, and then I will be using my newer equipment, like the GoPro Hero 9 for example. So we will be doing this in at least 4K resolution. The Hero 9 can handle 5K, but if you do the stability control thing, then you can only go up to 4K, and it uses the remaining resolution to adjust the image, which is quite impressive, and also one of the reasons why I bought it. So we have that to look forward. I don't think any one of us knows what this year will be like. The only thing I know is Bitcoin will be pumped, but other than that, we will see what happens. We can just try and take one day at a time and try and stay safe. And of course I will continue to try and create content for you, which have been a bit hard the last few weeks, but we will see. So if you're still watching, then thank you very much. It's very much appreciated, and the bigger we grow, the easier it will become for me to do these kind of videos. So if you haven't, then please consider subscribing, and yeah, stay safe, take care, bye bye.